Hi guys! Today I'm sharing with you how to make a chipilin soup made healthily. Chipilin is a traditional plant that we use a lot in El Salvador. It's very delicious and makes a delicious soup. We're gonna start by heating 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, extra virgin and organic if possible, at medium heat. We're going to add 1 medium onion diced. We're gonna let it cook at medium heat, and to these I'm going to add marinated chicken that I previously marinated with salt, garlic, and vinegar. Gonna move it around, let it cook. Very good. We're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of diced garlic. This is gonna make the flavor so much stronger. I'm also going to be adding 1 tablespoon of MISO, a soy-based fermented paste. I'm going to add half a green bell pepper diced. And I'm gonna mix it all together. I'm going to be adding 1 small white potato diced and 2 carrots sliced. We're gonna mix everything together. And I'm going to be adding 1 to 2 cups of chipilin leaves. This is high in calcium, iron, and B vitamins. I'm going to be adding 2 to 4 liters of pure water. Depending on the size of your pot, you might want to add a little bit extra. And I'm going to be adding a piece of ginger, which is analgesic and soothing for the digestive system. I'm going to be adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of collagen. This is going to help us strengthen our intestinal walls. And we're going to be adding salt to taste. We're going to be mixing all ingredients very well. We're going to cover it and let it boil. Once it is boiling, we're going to add 1 cup of white or brown rice previously washed. And we're gonna cover and bring to a boil for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. We are going to check that it's boiling, and we're gonna turn off the heat right away. This is very important. This is where the rice is gonna be cooking. We don't wanna let it overcook and make it soggy. And after 25 minutes, it's ready to enjoy. Wasn't that very easy? And I promise it is so delicious. I hope you can try it and let me know if you like it. I'll see you in the next video. Many blessings to you.